If you're looking specifically for ebooks available through the Daemen Library, you have a few options. The simplest is to use the SearchCat search on the library website. Enter your search terms or the title of the book you're looking for into the search box. Once you begin typing, the search box will expand and you'll see the option to limit your search to only books and ebooks. Click that before clicking the magnifying glass icon or pressing enter. If you enter the title of a book, you'll likely already see the book you're looking for listed in the search results. You'll know a title is available as an ebook when a View eBook button is present on the results page. If you don't see the title you're looking for yet, or simply want to browse through only ebooks, then navigate to the left sidebar and be sure to click the box next to eBook to limit your search to only ebooks. When you do find a title that you want to access, click the View eBook button to be taken to the database where that ebook is available. The library subscribes to a variety of ebook databases, with each offering a unique interface and features. Most offer an online viewer where you can browse and read through the contents of the book. One of the best features of ebooks is the ability to quickly search through them to find relevant sections for your topic. Whether or not you can download an ebook for offline viewing will depend on the database and the permissions for that title. Some databases, such as JSTOR or ScienceDirect, will let you download entire chapters, while others may require you to download a third-party software first, such as Adobe Digital Editions, to loan the ebook for a set period of time. In this example, I'm accessing an ebook available through EBSCO. To download the book for offline viewing, I would first need to create an account with EBSCO, if I haven't already done so, and then also have Adobe Digital Editions installed on my computer. The maximum loan period for this title is 7 days. You'll notice sections on the detailed record page noting publisher permissions, such as the total number of pages you're allowed to print, email, or save, as well as the number of allowed simultaneous users. In this case, there's only one digital copy available for this book, so if this title was in use by someone else, I wouldn't be able to access it until they've either exited the online viewer or the loan period had expired if they had borrowed the book. Now, if you don't want to go through the extra steps required to borrow this ebook and are fine just using the database's online viewer, then you might find it helpful to save a link back to this page. To do so, you'll want to look for what EBSCO calls a permalink. You can find it in the toolbar on the right-hand side of the page. Copying this link and putting it into a Word document or spreadsheet is a great way to keep track of the sources you found. What you'll never want to do is save the link listed in the browser's URL bar, which in an EBSCO database is always a temporary link and will not work after your database session has ended. We know that having to deal with different ebook interfaces and publisher permissions may seem a bit daunting at first. So if you ever have any questions related to accessing and using ebooks, please don't hesitate to contact a Daemen librarian.